This is what happens when your sister goes off on you on vacation because you snore. Be prepared to laugh your socks off.
Sure, you all right? I can just leave me out here. Why y'all think I be falling asleep in the goddamn bathtub? Shit.
And I said, Jamie, you all right?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Listen.
But I so goddamn tired of the damn tub. My head was hurting. You hear me? I had to fell asleep. Shit. I told her. I had to fell asleep 3 times now. Every time I dozed off. Jamie, you all right? Bitch, I'm fine. Leave me alone.
I only said it twice.
Y'all done kept me up all night. Leave me alone. I just want a little piece of sleep. I just need a little taint. A little taint to sleep. By that much. Leave me alone.
How about?
A taint. Hell. Between motorbike money over here and goddamn semi-saddle over there. Oh no. I'm gonna have to invest in me some noise canceling headphones next time we do this. I was ill prepared. And y'all is exceeding the limits of my medication on this here trip.
Look, she laughing and she finna put hers on.
Bitch, I need them. You part of the problem. Shit.
Hey.
You need to hand them over here.
No, the hell I do not.
Hand them over here.
No, you should be drug induced. That's different.
Hell.
That's different. Drug induced.
You got the audacity.
Jamie said, well, I'm fine. I only asked because you was in there a long time.
I told you.
This is why I be falling asleep when I say I'm finna take me a bath. That's cold for. I'm finna go in here and take me a nap. I'm finna go in here and
That's
take
why
me
I
a nap.
told you. I said she finna go to
Take a nap in the tub.
I was just checking on you.
I told you she was finna go in
And
there.
then hell, I'm gonna sit outside when we get back. I had my little towel wrapped up.
I look, cause I can
You
see
all
you
right out
sweating.
here,
You good?
Sean?
Okay.
I'm fine.
Listen, you look like you were finna slump.
I'm fine. My head fell over and all.
I
My
see
tongue
it.
hanging out my mouth and
Oh,
all.
my
I'm
God.
fine. Leave me alone.
Look here.
I'm trying to get me a little taste of sleep.
This nigga said a tank.
Shit. The unmitigated gall
Listen.
of you with them goddamn heads. You ought to be ashamed. But I ain't though. You ought to be ashamed of yourself. You ought to be ashamed.
When I say noise cancel, that includes the noise that I'm making.
Look,
Goddamn.
like Daryl's like, you need to go to the jail. Yeah. Don't make no damn sense.
Hey, look here.
Mm-mm.
Listen. I ain't
It's
got,
not okay.
and that's fine.
Her voice trembling.
She upset.
She is traumatized.
They ain't got nothing on the
I'm
head.
tired. I ain't slept in 3 goddamn days. Shit. That bitch say 3 These goddamn cat naps and these drugs. It's fucking me up. How the fuck? How the fuck am I supposed to get at least 4 hours of sleep with this medicine I take? I ain't getting that fucking with y'all. What? Oh, Jesus, help me. Help me, Father.
All I'm
All I
saying
can say.
is,
And that drinks ain't strong enough to help me.
oh no, you should have got you a super snack.
I ain't
She don't even know what that was.
I didn't see him mix that shit up. I don't know what he got that up. I don't even know if them goddamn cups clean. You want me to drink that? No. You just walk around with a random tray of drink. I don't even know where you got them from.
I think he came from the
You
bar.
might have walked from the damn bar by the pool with them damn drinks. I don't know where you got them from. So you can have all them. That's not even a polite pass. That's a hell no.
What he say? Shot.
No. No, thank you.
That was
This girl say, fine. Leave me
I'm
alone.
talking about.
look, her eyes so red.
So y'all know I ain't lying. It look like I done smoked a whole pound of goddamn weed. I just ain't been to sleep.
She angry at
And they won't leave me alone.
Oh Lord, Jesus! Ain't no rest for of the trip.
You supposed to make sure you get some rest on the trip, huh?
Like I said, I was ill prepared for all this foolery.
And this one over here.
Yo, goddamn ass.
So what you saying is? What I did?
What I'm hearing you say is,
Right. What I'm hearing you say is,
You need the little nose sleep apnea thing too.
no, I don't.
Yeah, shit.
But I be breathing though.
I'm recording your ass.
Oh, I don't record it myself. I know
she need a CPAP.
Yeah. 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 Get off your goddamn bike one. Turn on your side. Turn on your side, honey. This shit don't make no sense. It ought to be a law. It ought to be a damn law.
You gonna make me feel myself.
It don't make no
Oh
sense.
my gosh.
all
I'm
I'm
tired.
All I'm saying is,
Let that thing alone. Whatever that is over there, let it alone.
You sound like grandma.
It's a flower sitting on that curtain. Let
that's
it
what I
alone.
saw.
I know what the hell you doing. Let it alone. Cause I'm finna go sleep and
That
I'm
ain't no
going
fly.
flying in my mouth. What is it? Let it alone. I ain't got my glasses.
Oh,
on, so
that
I
is
can't
a fly.
see
I thought it was.
That's the same fly from
I thought it was a roach.
I'm finna turn that whole goddamn shit upside down.
Look, that my husband. What is this on you? Oh shit! I'm gonna
That's a fly.
The other morning I woke up, my whole neck is back here on the lamp.
that tell you how tired I was, cause I didn't even feel that shit. My damn neck like it had a flip top on it. Backwards, off the bed. I didn't even feel that shit. I was tired.
She had a pants top.
I had just went to sleep, and I feel a hand on me and scared the shit out of me. I said, oh Lord, something got me. It was her ass pushing my head back over in the bed. I didn't even know I was right in the bed.
All I saw was, what the fuck is going on?
Oh, y'all trying to kill me.